fucking day. Whoa, whoa, whoa! What the fuck, dude? Give me my fucking money back in the fucking day.
Okay.
She's like, I don't know. It's got to be something that's in a case, but it's in his hand. And it's still comfortable.
Yeah, absolutely. Hey, what's up, buddy? Do me a favor. Can you set that down for me? Set that down for me. Set it down. Set that down.
You drew your weapon.
Come on, man.
You drew your weapon.
You got the machete in your hand. Do me a favor, man. Set it down. At this point, you're not in trouble. I just need you to set it down so we can talk.
Put those away.
You set yours down. It doesn't work that way, man. It doesn't work that way. It doesn't work that way, man. I need you to set that down. Come on, man. Don't do this. Don't do this. I do. Set it down.
Put your shit away.
Set it down, man. It doesn't work that way.
Drew yours first.
Set it down. Hey, do you have a radio? Tell everyone inside the store to get down.
Can you tell everyone in the store to get down on your radio?
You drew yours first.
Please set your stuff down, man. What's your name?
Jonathan.
Jonathan. What's going on?
I'm tired of being fucking persecuted.
Okay, who's
This
persecuting
be
you?
my basic fucking needs.
Okay. So if you set that stuff down, I might be able to help
I'm not
it.
setting them down. Those are my protection.
Okay, and that's fine. I just need you to set them down so we can deal with this.
Put mine away.
I'm not doing that, man. I can't do that.
Then I can't either.
You got a taser? You got lethal cover? All right. Come on, man. Don't do anything stupid.
Weapon drawn.
Don't do anything stupid. You have the option right now to walk away. I just need you to set that stuff down.
There's no walking away.
Why not?
There's no walking away.
Why not?
You know exactly why.
Tell me. Jonathan, what's your last name? Jonathan. Come on, man. Don't do it. Hey, go away. Go away.
Get away. Come on.
Come on, man. Yeah, I don't want him going in the store.
Hey, do not go in the store. Just put the knife down. Jonathan, that's all we're asking. Put the knife down. You can just...
Come on, man. Come on. Don't go in the store. Don't go in the store.
Put down.
Come on.
Put down.
Just set it down, man. Just set it down. I appreciate you putting the other one away. Just set that down for me.
Yours away and I'll put mine away.
Set yours down, man. I can't do that. Come on. I can't do that. Come on, dude. It doesn't have to go this way. It really doesn't.
Jonathan, we're just here to talk to you, man. Just put the knife down and we're just going to talk. That's it.
You came up to me, you came at me with a fucking weapon.
Because you had a sword in your hand.
No, it was in the sheet.
Okay, you still had it in your hand.
First.
I need you to put that down, man. Come on. It doesn't have to be like this. Come on.
God, don't go in the store. Don't go in the store.
Come on, man.
40 up. 40
Come, Come on.
40 up, 40 up, 40 up.
Move up. Come on. Stop. Stop.
Let's leave, let's leave, let's leave.
Everybody. Stop. Everybody get down.
I'm out, I'm out. That's the 40.
Who's got a taser? Come on.
Hey, put your hands up.
Put your hands up.
Slow down, slow down.
Everybody back up. Back up. Get out of there.
Slow down, man. Slow down.
You got it. It's a thick coat, man.
Slow it down, slow it down.
Stop,
slow
stop,
down, slow
stop.
down.
Dude, we're gonna have to.
Hey, keep your hands up.
Come on, man. Just
Hands on
stop.
the ground, bro. We need to help you out. Come on.
You gotta get up, dude. You got a taser? Try and get him in the chest. Stop, man. Stop.
Hey,
Relax.
talk
Stop.
about it, bro.
In the chest. In the chest. Stop. Stop. Come on.
Hey,
Come on, dude. Stop. Come here.
get down on the ground.
Come here, man. You got another taser? You're gonna have to get him like in the chest. Come on, man. Stop. Stop.
It's starting to piss me off.
Hey, we can talk about it, bro. We can talk about it.
Get your fucking shit away from me.
Hey, come on, dude. Stop.
Get down,
Stop.
bro.
Come here.
Get down on the ground.
Come here, man. You're gonna have to get him like.
And 998.